Hello, little yogis. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to move, stretch, and feel strong, calm, and full of joy. Roll out your mat, take a big deep breath. Sit cross-legged, keep your back tall, rest your hands on your knees, and take a calm, quiet breath. Sit like a butterfly, grow taller, raise one arm towards the sky and lean gently to the side. Switch sides and gently lean over, arm above your head. Stretch your legs and reach forward to touch your feet. Bend one leg, stretch the other to the side, hands in front of you. Switch sides, bend one leg and stretch the other out to the side. Step one foot forward, drop the back knee and reach your arms up. Switch legs, step the other foot forward and reach your arms up. Place one foot on your leg and balance steadily. Curl into a ball and rest your forehead on the floor. If you enjoy yoga, please subscribe. It would make me so happy. Kneel down, open your chest, and gently lean back. Sit on your heels and rest your forehead down, arms forward. Bring your feet together and let your knees fall to the sides. Squat down, feet flat, and hands together in front of you. Lie down, bend your legs and lift your hips up.